Would you pay $1 for that?
Chicken Cornish pasties. Start with some onion. Onion. Chicken mince. Starts off a bit weird, but eventually, I said comes together, but it's the opposite.
It comes apart.
Yeah, that's it. It eventually comes apart. Some garlic. Come on. Great. Some garlic and a bit of liquid. You'll see, don't worry.
I'll wait.
I haven't lost my mind. Beautiful healthy carrots. Massive carrot.
Yeah, gratuitous carrot feelings.
No comments from the peanut gallery, please. Let's try like that. I'm sure there's a million better ways to do this, but you get the point. Little squares. Beautiful healthy carrots and potatoes. That we diced. Well, this is going to cook in the oven in its pastry, its bread pastry, but we're going to get started.
Oh, Rick. Nearly had 1 million comments.
Okay, this is looking great. And the cabbage. Just speed it up so it looks like impressive, like those chefs.
Yeah, no, I will. Really fast.
I'm going to throw in that cabbage now. Or whatever's in season and cheap. Okay, we're ready for the last step.
Or is this the soup?
Yeah. Probably going to need to add a bit more.
Oh, man. Oh, that's perfect. It's
Great.
absolutely perfect.
Awesome.
Let's stuff it. Into the ice cream tub to cool down a bit.
Uh-huh. And that is enough probably to make like 3 or maybe even 4.
1 cup of water. A tablespoon of sugar. A bit of yeast. Teaspoon. You're going to need 2 cups of flour for this. Start stirring it up. We got some good glutens building up. Add salt to taste and 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure they are well mixed. Add another 1.5 cups of flour. Put it in the mixer. 10 minutes. Prepare it into a round. Rub the dough around in the oil. Put the lid on and leave it to one side. Doubled in size. You just want to knead it a little bit more. Put it back in. Come back in about 2 hours and do it again. Take it out and divide it into your portions. Okay, now what you do is you turn them into little balls. Like so. So I want to roll this one out quite thin because it is going to be a patsy.
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 Pasty.
And so it's going to be folded in half, so you don't want it to like double up. A little bit more flour. And let's get it out there. Remember, it is bread with yeast in it, so it is going to rise. So I can go quite thin on this one. You want it to be a little bit more oval because when you do fold it, you want it to look like a pasty.
Exactly. Pasty. Now introducing Brian's famous Patsies.
Okay, I think that looks good.
Great.
Maybe a little bit more on that.
Let's go stuff the Patsy.
Stuffing Patsies.
Ready to get stuffing on our chicken pasties.
Pasties.
Let's wet this bread a little bit.
So this is sort of like a Cornish dish.
Yeah, yeah.
Cornish pasty.
Good old England. No real spicing in here.
No, keep it bland.
Let's try to get a good mix of everything.
Yeah, and how much of that do you have to use? A third of it or something?
Yeah.
Well, good luck fitting that in there.
Use a little bit more.
Yeah, you're allowed to. Wow, that is a lot. I don't think it's going to close. Oof. Oh, wow. And bake or fry?
We're going to fry it.
Course
Because this
we are.
bread is absolutely delicious when it's fried.
Man, that's massive, Rick. Just a little bit of oil. Don't want to use all your budget on oil with the pricing of it nowadays.
For sure.
Have you ever tried frying one of these?
No.
There's time for everything.
It's going to be great.
It'll work fine. Yeah, buddy. This is like a giant half moon.
I mean, you could bake it in the oven, but I feel that street food vendors and
You
things
should fry,
are
yeah.
more likely to have a griddle.
Let's give this a flip. Oh, wow. Oh, that is looking so golden and beautiful. That's a half moon rising like a full moon. I had this idea that you could just like walk around and eat it like that. I thought that would be pretty cool.
I'm pretty sure you could.
Yeah, actually you could. But I actually want to see what it's like inside before
Yeah,
I
of
take a
course.
bite.
Because foodies.
Yeah, so I brought myself a knife. Oh, look at that.
Would you eat that for $1?
I would eat that for, well, I would pay $1 to eat that. You can see the breadiness on it. And it's like full inside.
That looks great.
But I was thinking, right, if you do it like this, right? So nicely served on a plate, and get some of that tomato relish to dip in it.
Oh yeah, some homemade tomato sauce.
Yeah. Now, would you pay $1 for that? I'm going to dip first. Oh, wow. Mmm. It's really good. It's simple. Oh, it's really chickeny. Got a great flavor.
Yeah, what I like about it is it's like a complete meal. It's got the bread, it's got vegetables, and it's got meatiness.
And there's a lot of chicken in this.
You don't feel like you're being swizzed.
No, you're not. And you know when I tell you this, you're going to know that you're being swigged. Less than 40 US cents, which means you're making 60 cents
Wow, on that gorgeous sandwich thing.
for selling it for $1. And
Pasty.
really good. Would you pay $1 for this? Put it in the comments below.